It's all about keeping that green on the screen, so who better to turn to than Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Knuckman, an options trading pro, here for our Trader Game Top That Trade. Here we go, guys, with round number one, American Tailwind. Warren Buffett tells investors it's not about the company, it's about buying that American ingenuity. Do you buy into that strategy?
Definitely. I'm definitely of the prosperity doctrine here and preaching just like Mr. Buffett here. And you've seen that over and over again. Every time the market sells off over the last 10 years, it bounces right back. People believe in America, and Americans' companies are the way to play it.
And the best way to believe in American companies is for people to get out of the way, because that's where ingenuity is made. You know, we see this big move towards socialism in this country right now. And really, if you look back at America, it has been the opposite of socialism that has created ingenuity. You know, if you have the government, and actually one of the reasons a free market is the best way to get ingenuity, and one of the most free markets we've ever had has been America, and that's why the world envies our economy.
And we get a shake of the head coming from Alan Knuckman. Round number two, not just us. The American stock market tends to lead the way, but how do you find opportunities overseas?
Usually when there's other opportunities abroad, it's because U.S. has been doing so darn well, right? And everybody's lagging. They got to catch up. Okay. And I think we're in that kind of a mode right now. The U.S. economy is the envy of the world. Over the last couple of years, we've shown more growth. For example, I'll give you one example that hasn't happened in 20 years. The U.S. actually had the biggest demand growth for oil that we've seen in 20 years. You know, usually we say China or India is the place where all the growth and demand is.
I would agree with you. Crude oil, I think, in Canada is going to be a benefactor of higher energy prices. So I like Canada as a play. Also, if you can look at South Korea, they've kind of had a pullback in the last couple of years. They're at the midpoint of their action over the last 5 years. So South Korea, that economy could come rebounding back. What you can do now is there are exchange-traded funds that trade each and every one of these markets. So you can take advantage of the opportunities anywhere in the world now with these ETF tools.
Every country he mentioned started to do well when they embraced capitalistic principles.
Round number three, FOMO, fear of missing out. Is FOMO a bigger driver than greed?
The answer is yes. I think a lot of people make trading decisions based on fear of missing out, and that's usually why they buy high instead of buying low. And so many times people will be looking at a stock, saying, I'm thinking about buying it, I'm not sure. The stock will make a big move, and they'll say, now I want to buy it. I've seen it happen with my clients time and time again. You know, that I'll be saying, oil looks like it's going to go up, there's going to be a big move,
but
and then they wait until the move is made, then they get in.
The confidence to get in.
Exactly.
So it's not a good risk-reward point.
Right.
The fear of missing out, I think, is overblown. Unfortunately, it's built into our psychology, something we've got to overcome. But now with the electronic markets and the ability to trade any market, anytime, any direction, if you miss a trade, so what? There's a new opportunity today, tomorrow, next week, next month. So it's not like when we were little traders, if you didn't take advantage of each and every opportunity, you missed out.
This is perfect, because here's your bonus round question for today. High frequency trading now accounts for what? 73%, 54%, or 34% of equity trades?
73.
Yeah, the high number,
73.
You are both winners.
Win, bing, 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 bing. I'm surprised.
More green.
I was going to say 76%, but it wasn't on the list.
Yeah.
No, Phil, it's 76 trombones.
I thought it was going to go, but okay.
It was not none of the above.
None of the above.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.